included in the package, you have the owner's manual, your charger for your battery, the bicycle air pump, left and right foot pedals, a set of Allen keys. So first off, before we start putting the pedals on the bike, you're going to want to remove everything around the tires so you could turn it into a bike. So included with the tire, you get a fender as well as your tire. So on the handlebars comes the keys so you don't lose them. When you finish unpacking your bike, you're going to take out the wheel and the axle, and you're going to unscrew it, remove one of the springs, and you're going to place this inside, add the spring, and then tighten it up. Okay, so when you put the tire inside the tire well, you're going to lift up the bike, and you want to make sure you align the brakes as it falls into place. So you're going to tighten it up and lock the wheel into place. So once you get the front tire on, you're going to want to open up that kickstand so you could pump up the back tire. So for this step, you're going to loosen the cap on the tire, get your bike pump, lock it on, start pumping. When the bike gets shipped to you, it's going to have the steering wheel facing the other way, so all you're going to do is take out your 4mm key and loosen it so you can turn it around. Very simple. Next, you're going to take your 4mm Allen key and you're going to unloosen this so you could put in the handlebars. Now you're going to take your handlebars, place them right into that opening. Watch out for all the wires. Make sure that the screen is facing towards you and the brakes are facing away from you. And then just put everything back together one by one. So now you're going to assemble the fender and the light bulb. You're going to get your 6mm Allen key and unscrew it so that the fender holds the light in place. And you're going to tighten the fender up against the light bulb. Nice. Now you want to mount your fender. So you're going to pull this up, unscrew this bolt, and then attach the fender. Tighten it up. So now you're going to take your 15mm side and attach your pedals. You could just screw them in by hand, or if you want to use the wrench, you could use the wrench. And your last step to assemble the bike is to install the battery. You're going to put it in on an angle and then lock it into position. It will automatically lock, so you're going to need your key to take the battery out. And when you do this, you're going to watch out for your hand so you don't scratch yourself, and pull on here and pull it out. And it's just that easy. So now you have the bike all put together. You could undo that kickstand, sit on, and go for a ride.